Today, we're going to build a Republic frigate using 19 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We'll start with the engines of our frigate. The first one we grab is a 1x3 plate. And on the back of that 1x3 plate, we're going to grab 3 of these round bricks. And you're going to put it so that the stud on top of the round brick goes into the back of this red plate, just like this. You line them up so they go between those anti-studs, and you have the 3 engines of a Republic frigate. Now on top of this 1x3 plate, we're going to get these slope pieces, these cheese wedge slope pieces. We're going to have them so they slope down and out towards the end. So on the side stud it goes down, get another one for the other side stud so it slopes down, and we've got that center stud there. And that center stud, we're going to grab a headlight brick, and that headlight brick is going to go in so that the headlight or the side stud is facing up. You just put it inside that center stud, and here we've got the engines of our Republic frigate. To build the body of our frigate, we're going to grab one of these 1x2 by 2/3 bricks with studs on both sides. And this big end is going to be the back of our frigate where we're going to attach our engines that we already built. But the small stud is going to be the front. And so for that, we're going to get a round 1x1 plate and just put it right there on that front top stud. And on top of that plate we just put on, we're going to get a 1x1 cone piece and put that cone piece right on top of the plate. Now on top here, on the top of our frigate, we're going to get a 1x4 plate piece and put it so those back 2 studs go on those top 2 studs here. So it just lines up like this. We've kind of created the nose of our frigate. Now to create the bridge, on the front stud here, we're going to get a 1x1 translucent plate and put that right there on top to be like the glass windows or of our bridge. And on top of that, to seal it off, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece and put it right on top of that translucent plate piece we just put on. Now we're going to kind of smooth it out. And to smooth it out and get it sloped down, we're going to get one of these cheese wedge slopes. And we're going to have, so the tall end is next to our canopy or bridge, and it slopes down like this. And now here's where I start making big differences from LEGO. LEGO's advent calendar was way too red for me. There was a lot more light bluish gray pieces in this model. So now we're going to get 4 cheese wedge slopes, and we're going to put them on these side studs here so that the tall end is in the center and it slopes down towards the ends. And we're going to do that to both ends, so it kind of makes a triangle shape. And of course this is a 2-sided brick for a reason, so we're going to get to the other side and do the same thing with 2 more of those cheese wedge slopes. And now we've kind of got the body of our frigate. So we can grab our engines. We're going to grab it so that that headlight brick, the stud is on top. We're going to connect them together, and all we have left to do is put on this cannon. Now LEGO's design had that cannon facing forward, but all my reference pictures show that this is a rear-facing cannon. So what I'm going to do is get that fat end of the tap piece, put it on the headlight brick, and have it so the handle is pointing backwards, so it's like it's rear-facing cannon. But here we have a Republic frigate.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.